Toyota Camry 2010. If you replace the battery, the car is not starting good. When you start the car, then start again. I remove this battery terminal for the alternator change, and in this video I will show you how to reset throttle body without scanner. On the ignition switch for 3 seconds. On the ignition switch for 3 seconds, then off the ignition switch for 5 seconds. Repeat these steps 5-6 times, and the throttle body and system will be reset and the car will be running good. 4-5 times repeat the step. Now I start the car. Again will good 800. 800 RPM. Thank you for watching.